Dulux Concrete and Paving Heavy Duty Coating System. How to clean and prime bare concrete. Preparing your surface thoroughly and using the correct cleaner is essential to your project's success. The most critical areas that are most important to clean are the areas which will sit under your car tyres. Before you start, check that you have the right equipment and remember, safety first. Wear protective clothing, gloves and eyewear, especially when mixing and applying the solutions. For a bare concrete surface, you'll need Dulux Concrete and Paving Bare Concrete Etch and Clean and Bare Concrete Primer. Let's get started. First, sweep the surface and clean away any grass, dirt and leaves from the edge of the paving. Pressure wash the surface to remove any dirt, loose material or grass growing between the concrete slabs. Wait for the surface to be free of pooled water. You can speed this up by using a squeegee or drying down with a towel. Next step is to clean the whole driveway with Dulux Concrete and Paving Bare Concrete Etch and Clean. Mix the Bare Concrete Etch and Clean with water in a watering can at a ratio of 1 part cleaner to 4 parts water. Always have the water in the container first and then add the Etch and Clean. For heavily stained areas, use 1 part cleaner to 2 parts water. Apply the diluted solution liberally across the surface using a watering can and a stiff bristle broom to work the solution into the concrete. You should notice some bubbling of the solution as it reacts with the concrete. Wait for 15 minutes. Do not let the surface dry out in this time. Add a little more water if required and scrub the surface again, focusing on any stubborn stains. Rinse off using a high-pressure washer until the surface is clean and allow the surface to dry completely. You may need to repeat the cleaning process several times, especially for heavily stained surfaces. If the process has been completed successfully, the bare concrete will feel like sandpaper. Your surface is now clean and ready for priming with Dulux Concrete and Paving Bare Concrete Primer. This will provide a sound foundation for any Dulux Concrete and Paving finishes. Remove the lid and stir thoroughly with a flat paddle for 1 to 2 minutes. Use a brush to cut in around the edges. Using a roller, apply 1 coat of Dulux Concrete and Paving Bare Concrete Primer evenly across the entire surface, slightly overlapping as you go. Allow to dry for 20 minutes and repeat the process with a 2nd coat. Before applying a top coat, allow the primer to dry for at least 1 hour. Your concrete is now primed and ready for the 3rd and final stage, the finish coat. Crushed Pebble Effect is a beautiful water-based finishing coat that adds an extra dimension to projects with a special textured finish. Coloured Sealer can be tinted into Dulux colours and provides superior durability. Super Grip is available in selected Dulux colours and is great for steps, slippery surfaces and sloping driveways.